Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show how to make 3D fence in Blender. Let's start. Now delete this unwanted cubes and camera. First press Shift plus A at plane. Press R plus X 90 rotate plane in 90 degree. Now go to front view. Now zoom in. And now just move up the plane. And make scale it. OK. Now select the plane. Tab to edit mode. Select the face. Now press Ctrl R to make loop cut horizontally. Click it and just move it up. As well as press P to selection make separate the object. Now press Shift to select this two face. Now press Ctrl R, make loop cut vertically, as well as roll the mouse button increased to 5 cuts. As well as press P to selection make separate the object. Now press Ctrl plus Alt, select this line. And now press Shift plus Ctrl plus Alt, now select above this line. As well as press P to selection make separate the object. Now tab to object mode. Now select the plane. Select this origin point and press X, delete it. OK. Now you get only these lines. Now, select this line, right click, select Convert to Curve. Here curve setting. In bevel section increase depth value like this. Now select this line, do the same. Now select this. Tab to edit mode. Now enable the X-ray mode. Drag to select this top. Now press GZ to move it down. And now press E, Z to extrude in Z axis. Now press Alt plus S, drag like this to increase the radius of the curve. Now press E, Z to extrude in Z axis again. Now finally press Alt plus S make the radius small like this. Finally you get this fence. Now turn off X-ray mode and tab to object mode. Now I use Blender Kit tool to apply texture to this fence. I search here wooden texture. Okay. If you liked this video, don't forget to subscribe the channel, like and share the video. I see you on another useful video. Thanks for watching. Bye.